I'm always looking for great people to hire. Whether someone has a lot of experience working in a machine shop or in manufacturing, or they don't have any experience. I'm always looking. Things I'm looking for in someone is, are they hungry to learn? Do they have a great desire or incredible desire to perform? So if someone is new, they have not worked in manufacturing, they have not worked in a machine shop or maybe marketing, and they want to learn some of these things, we can teach them. At the end of the day, though, my hope is that the employee and the people that work here have a desire to put an incredible effort in to grow the revenues and the business of JWB Manufacturing. I am open to having any individual work here. We have had both men and women working in our shop doing surface grinding, mill work, lathe work. I'm open to all different aspects on hiring on background of someone. I am looking to hire people in the shop. So some of the positions would be a CNC machinist, setup person, someone that wants to learn and perform like manual mill work, manual lathe work, and then also surface grinding and learning that. That is a component that we do an awful lot of. We have some automated surface grinders, and we're going to be getting some CNC surface grinders. So the progression of starting manually, going into computerized machining. I'm also looking for people that aren't in the shop. So unlike a lot of manufacturers, I'm looking to grow utilizing social media, different marketing activities. So YouTube videos and social media, I really want to utilize that. So in order to do that effectively, because there are better people than myself that are going to be able to do that, I'm looking for a video genius, someone that's going to be able to be like a videographer. Spend time documenting what's going on, documenting our growth in our business, and then figuring out what are the right places to share that. Is it on Facebook? Is it on Instagram? Is it in LinkedIn, YouTube, or on our own website? I also need people someone that's going to help create marketing content. Also a business analyst, someone that's going to be able to understand the results of the activity that we have, and then figure out, okay, these are some things that we might want to do based on our successes and other things that we aren't successful. So those are the core positions that we're looking for.